Next, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater, and descending means greater to smaller. Sum number 3. 5 to the power 1 by 2, 10 to the power 1 by 4, 6 to the power 1 by 3. So by saying the powers 1 by 2 and different numbers also 5, 10 and 6. So it is not possible for us to tell that which one is smaller and then in the second position which one will come. So what to do? First we'll take the LCM of the denominators 2, 4, 3. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 3? It will be 12. LCM is 12. So all the denominators will make same. That means we will make 12. How? So here we have to multiply these by 6. So at the same time we have to multiply the numerator also by 6. Clear? So it is becoming 5 to the power 6 by 12. Here also 10 to the power 1 by, we have to make 12, 4 into 3, then multiply numerator this by 3. So it is coming 10 to the power 3 by 12, and here we have to multiply by 4 to bring 12. So it is coming 6 to the power 4 by 12. Now all the denominators are same. So it is 5 to the power 6, 10 cube, 6 to the power 4. Now 5 to the power 6. 5 to the power 6 means how much? I have to calculate, otherwise 5 to the power 6. 5 will be multiplied 6 times. A big multiplication. Wait. 5 to the power 6. 625. 625. Okay, it is coming 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 to the power 1 by 12. First one. Then 10 cube, so very easy. This part I am writing, okay. Then 10 cube means 1000. 1000 to the power 1 by 12. And last one 6 to the power, 6 to the power, yes, 6 to the power 4. 4 means 6 to the power 4. 1, 2, 9, 6 to the power 1 by 12. So now you have noticed here that all the powers are same. 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. There is 1000, 1296 and 15,000, 625. Now easily by saying these numbers we can tell which one is the lowest, then second position which one will come, and then third one which one is third one. Now 1000, 1296, 15,000, this. So this is the lowest number, 1000. 1000 means 10 cube. In my sum, what is there? 10 to the power 1 by 4. So 10 to the power 1 by 4. This is coming first position, means ascending order, means smallest. This is the smallest number. Then this 1296 means 6 to the power 1 by 3. Then 5, 1 by 2. Okay. So here we have to give one sign. That means arrange in ascending order. This is the smaller sign. Smaller than. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. So this is my required ascending order. 10 to the power 1 by 4. Then 6 to the power 1 by 3. then 5 to the power 1 by 2. Clear? Next one, same method. What is there? Number 2, 3 to the power 1 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 2, 8 to the power 1 by 4. Same. You have to take the LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, 4. Again same LCM. 12. So we have to make 12 this. 3 into 4. So it is coming 3 to the power 4 by 12. Here 1 into 6 by 2 into 6. 2 to the power 6 by 12. Then 8 to the power 1 into 3 by 4 into 3. 8 to the power 3 by 12. Again all the denominators are same. Clear? So first this 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 means what? 81. I am writing. Here I am writing. For this number I am writing 81 to the power 1 by 12. Then next one 2 to the power 6. 64. 64 to the power 1 by 12. Then 8 cube. 512. 512 to the power 1 by 12. Now in previous sum I have told you that all the powers are same, 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Now you have to check the numbers. Here 81, 64, 512. So this is the smallest number, this is first position, then this is, then this is. So what will be my answer? Required ascending number will be, don't write down 81 to the power this. Corresponding number, what was there? 64 means 2 to the power 1 by 2. 2 to the power 1 by 2. And this is the sign less than sign. Less than, then it is coming. It is means 3 to the power 1 by 3. 3 to the power 1 by 3. And then another number is 8 to the power 1 by 4. Now in place of this sign, if you will write by mistake, if you will write this sign, this will be greater than, so your answer will be 0. Clear? So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is not greater than, so this is less than, this is the lowest number, less than this, less than this. Clear? Then number 3. 2 to the power 60, 3 to the power 48, 4 to the power 36, 5 to the power 24. Here what to do? We will not take the LCM of any number. All are multiples of 12. See, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So all are multiple of 12. So we can write it in this form. 2 to the power 5 into 12. Here 3 to the power 4 into 12, 48. Then 4 cube 12 and 5 square 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 4s are 48, 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24. Now 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5, 32. 32 to the power 12. And 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 means 81. 81 to the power 12. Then 64 to the power 12 and 25 to the power 12. All powers are same. Now you check the numbers. Which one is the lowest? 25. Then which one? 32. Then 64. Then 81. So which one is coming first? This. So I am writing here. Required ascending number will be 5 to the power 24. Then this one 2 to the power 60. Then 4 to the power 36. Then 3 to the power 48. Clear? This is the required ascending number. So next one you will get in next video.